Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how to navigate and use some of the important Wix tools and interface features to design your perfect site. And if you're interested in this template or other Wix templates, check out my Etsy shop linked in the description below. Let's get started. Looking to our left, we see a panel of vertical icons which are used for different functions. For this tutorial, we're going to take a closer look at these three, which are the basis for designing any Wix site. Starting at the top, the Add button or the plus sign icon allows you to add new elements to your site. Of these options, the one found most commonly across my templates are Strip, Text, Image, Button, Menu and Anchor, and Contact and Form. Scanning over each option here in the panel, we can see the different feature designs and options available to add directly to your site. To add an element to your page, simply click on the option you'd like or drag and drop it to a specific location on your page. Next, let's look at Menu and Pages, located directly below the Add button. Here you can organize, rename, or add or delete pages in your site. Looking at our template here, this site has 5 existing site menu options, 2 of which are hidden, as indicated by the crossed out eye symbol to the right of the name. When the pages are hidden, this means that they will not appear as an option in a menu element, as we can see here in our header menu, where only 3 of the 5 options are present. To show or unhide a page, simply go to the 3 dots at the right and choose Show. Now we can see the crossed out eye symbol is gone and our home page was added to the menu. To reorder menu items, simply drag and drop the items to the order which you'd like them to appear. To add a new page or menu item, you have multiple options. The Add button at the top and the Add button at the bottom both allow you to create a new page to your site. The last 2 options allow you to add links, including anchors to your menu items, or sub-menu options. If we look at our template, our story uses this Add Anchor option as indicated by the anchor symbol to the left of its name. Anchors essentially allow users to navigate to a particular section of the page instantly. Lastly, under a page's settings, you can edit a page's info, layout, restrict page access, and set up SEO and page sharing. Under Layouts, you have 2 options for the page layout, Standard and No Header and Footer. For our template here, all pages except for the RSVP page use the standard layout, meaning that the same header and footer design will show on all pages. If we compare the RSVP page to the other pages in the template, we notice that selecting no header and footer layout is useful for when you want to have a page with a different style header and footer than the rest, or if you don't want a header or footer at all. Under the SEO Basics and Social Share tabs, you can edit how your page will appear on Google searches and share it as a link. The last icon on the side panel we'll cover is the media icon. Here you can upload new media files to your site, including images and videos, either directly from your computer or from other cloud storage sources. You can also quickly access some of your most recent media uploads or some stock media. You can also access your site media and Wix stock images under the Add button under Images, My Image Uploads. Next, let's take a look at the top toolbar area. Starting from the left at the very top, you can see some different options available to you, but I find the most useful tab is the Site tab, where you can save, preview, and publish your site, as well as view your site history and navigate back to the site dashboard. Next to that is Settings, where you can connect an already existing domain and email or create a new one, add a logo to the page title area, along with some other options. These options are also accessible through the dashboard area, and clicking them here will lead you back to that area. To the right of settings, you can also enable Dev mode, where you can enter your own code if you wish to design your site via code. Just below these tabs, you have a drop-down menu to quickly navigate between site pages, and next to that you have the desktop and phone icon, which allow you to change between the display sizes you're designing for. Once you're done editing your site in the desktop mode, it's always important to switch to the mobile view to make sure that your design is still looking good, and if it's not, to fix it in the mobile view. Changes to the design on the mobile view will not alter the desktop design. However, edits in the desktop view can change how the mobile design looks, so that's why it's always important to check both views. To the top right, there is easy access options to save, preview, and publish your site. Wix automatically, periodically saves your work, but I would suggest after making large changes to your site to save your work. Preview allows you to see what your site changes will look like without officially publishing it. And publish will solidify your work and make it available for others to officially see. Lastly, below these options, you will find your undo and redo buttons, a zoom out view option, and tools. The zoom out feature allows you to get a zoomed out perspective of your page, and you can reorder sections. Under Tools, you have access to additional panels to help you with editing. In particular, the Toolbar and Layers panels are especially helpful. The toolbar allows you easy access to copy and paste, as well as organizing and arranging, rotating, sizing, and positioning elements. If you lose track of elements on a page and need help finding where they are, use the Layers panel to see how elements are nested on your page. I hope you found this tutorial helpful in getting you more comfortable using the Wix editor to design your website. If you like this video and want more Wix-related content, subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below on different topics I should cover next. I'll see you in the next one.